Y'all see the mousers? We got one missing, y'all. We do have one missing. Yes, sir. Anyway, we got whole lot of snow. Whole lot of snow. Green bean ain't gonna move today. Two-wheel drive, one-wheel peel, ain't gonna work. But what you gonna do? Two-tone. We're gonna go play, man. And what's gonna suck is Shorty ain't home to play. She's at work. I'm off today. Sorry. So let me go ahead and try to see if I can get this thing fired up. Last time I tried to start it, the battery was dead, which is probably going to be the same thing today. Same thing today. Where the keys at? Ooh, we ain't frozen solid shut. Uh-oh. Let's see what we got, y'all. Oh, we did. But we can re-jump it. We're going to have some fun. Two-tone. Yeah, man, we got to jump it, though. Man, ice and snow. Look at this. We got a layer of snow and then a layer of ice. Cold, y'all. She cold, y'all.
She cold.
Get her to start. She'll start. Hey, I've been buying batteries. Batteries ain't the same like they used to. They ain't the same, y'all. They're not the same. Man, I hope I got the video of the vehicle started, man. If I didn't, my apologies. I think I paused it to get everything going. Well, anyway, we got it jumped. Got it running. As you can see, layer of snow, then ice, then more snow. Iced over rim. Got the heat blowing though. Got that heat blowing though. I don't know where I can put y'all without it flipping and falling on me. Let's see where the seats went back like it's supposed to. Alternator's charging. No windshield wipers. But it's in four high. That's what it says. windshield sucks. But we moving. Let's flip this around. Big open field. Be nice to go do some donuts. We can't, man. We can't be disrespectful like that. We can't, but we can. But we can go out here and do our thing. All right. Get some defrost jumping. Some defrost jumping. There it is. There's that heat we want to see. Let's get this defrost jumper so we can go for a ride. We are in the two-tone, what we call a two-tone. It's a two-door 1999 Tahoe with a 2003 or 2004 5.3 and 4L60 in it. Four-wheel drive is the main reason why we haven't really dabbled into this too much. We have went and bought the parts for a manual four-wheel drive. So because of this electronic stuff I'm having an issue with, and it's nobody's fault but my own. So, but that stuff's melting right off the window as we speak. That's what I'm talking about. Defrost, defrost, defrost. We don't, I haven't took it very, very far. I found out we got a busted brake line. All right, we back. We didn't have very much memory in my phone. So what I thought I record, I might not have been recording. But it says four-wheel high. That's what it says. We got the snow truck plow coming. So our green bean might be able to get out today. But with the two-wheel drive, man, just don't take out my mailbox. That's all I'm saying. Matter of fact, I'm going to let y'all see. Because if he takes out my mailbox, they're going to fix it. He didn't. Yeah, cleaning. Yeah, man, like talking about like 5 inches. Uh-oh. I want to see if this four-wheel drive actually works, y'all. She's sitting here blinking. Let's see. Blinking. Don't want to do it. Four-wheel high, supposedly. We'll find out. We'll go across this front yard here. Oh! We might be in luck. Because if we was in green bean, we'd be stuck. So that's a good sign. It's a good sign. And in all honesty, do we need any more than that? Do we need any more than four-wheel high? I don't know, man. All the nonsense we got going on. Here, I'm gonna set y'all up and let y'all watch me. Watch me take it down the street, I guess. I don't know. say the four-wheel drive works. Four-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive low don't work. Y'all just hopefully seen that little miniature burnout I did. Nothing fancy. It's open headers, no O2s. Well, open manifolds, no O2s. Half the wiring still ain't even hooked up. Man, I've been fighting this four-wheel drive thing I'm pretty pumped. How do you know and when to know when the four-wheel drive's working? Stick it in four-wheel drive out in the snow. Huh? Stick it in four-wheel drive out in the snow. It's working. Working, man. Four-wheel drive, well, four-wheel high, it's working. And I heard it clink in four-wheel high. I heard it clink. It's in four-wheel high right now. And otherwise, we wouldn't be able to drive where we driving if we wasn't in four-wheel drive. I'm telling you right now. Because I got stuck. I got stuck. I mean, I'm literally driving through this snow. I'm literally driving through the snow in two-toed. Huh? Four-wheel drive work, man. I was gonna put that manual in there, but guess what? We can take all these wires, get all my dash stuff working, hook all these wires up, and we can do turn shorty loose in two-tone, man. My concern was not having four-wheel drive, man. And other than that, there was no issues. My concern was not having four-wheel drive in times like this. You know what I mean? 8 inches of snow, 5 inches of snow, 2 inches of snow, 3 inches of ice. We gotta have it. We gotta have it. We gotta have it. We did get us a little burnout jumper though, huh? We did get us a little burnout jumper. Oh, I hope I got it. Yeah. I pulled in the yard, man, went and put it in two-wheel drive. It would not pull itself out. Stuck it in four-wheel high, pulled itself out. Other than, I got to figure out why these windshield wipers don't work. I was like, man, there's some gremlins in this thing. There's some gremlins, man. I've been out here playing in it. Pumped. Go for another ride. Couldn't get it to go back in two-wheel drive. Oh, well. Man, be blessed, stay warm if you can. Happy New Year, by the way. Swaps out.